Only a few students can confidently solve this kind of question. So let's tackle it step by step together. We are given 2 to the power of x plus x is equal to 5. And at first glance, this might look like a simple equation, but is actually a tricky one because the variable x appears in two different places, one inside an exponent and the other as a normal number. And whenever you see something like this, you should already know that this is not a regular algebra problem. So don't rush. Instead, slow down and think step by step. Now, the first thing we want to do is separate the exponential part from the rest. So we move x to the other side of the equation, and we get 2 to the power of x is equal to 5 minus x. And this step is very important because it prepares the equation for the method we are about to use. Now, instead of stopping here, we continue by dividing both sides by 2 to the power of x. So we now have open bracket 5 minus x close bracket divided by 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. And this might look more complicated, but it actually helps us move forward. Now we use a key property of exponents, which says that 1 divided by a number raised to a power is the same as that number raised to the negative of that power. So this allows us to rewrite the expression as open bracket 5 minus x, close bracket multiplied by 2 to the power of negative x is equal to 1. And now we rearrange slightly to make it cleaner. So we write it as open bracket negative x plus 5 close bracket multiplied by 2 to the power of negative x is equal to 1. And this step may look small, but it helps us see a pattern more clearly. Now here's where the real idea comes in. Our goal is to transform this equation into a special form that we can solve using a powerful concept. And that form looks like something multiplied by e raised to the power of that same something. And when we have that structure, we can apply what is called the Lambert W function. Now don't worry if that sounds new. I will guide you through it in a simple way. Just stay focused. Now to create that structure, we multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to the power of 5. And remember 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So after multiplying, we get open bracket negative x plus 5 close bracket multiplied by 2 to the power of negative x plus 5 is equal to 32. And now look carefully. We have negative x plus 5 outside and also inside the exponent, which is exactly what we want. Now, before we continue, if you're gaining value from this explanation and you're starting to understand how to handle questions like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video because it really helps you get more content like this and helps the channel grow. Now, let's continue immediately. Now, the only issue is that our base is 2, but for this method, we need the base to be e. So we fix that by using a very important identity, which says that any number can be written in terms of e. Specifically, 2 can be written as e raised to the power of natural log of 2. So we replace the 2 with e raised to the power of natural log of 2. And now the expression becomes open bracket negative x plus 5 close bracket multiplied by e raised to the power of natural log of 2 multiplied by open bracket negative x plus 5 close bracket is equal to 32. Now we are getting very close to the structure we need, but we want the exact same expression multiplying and inside the exponent. So we multiply both sides of the equation by natural log of 2. And this gives us natural log of 2 multiplied by open bracket negative x plus 5 close bracket multiplied by e raised to the power of natural log of 2 multiplied by open bracket negative x plus 5 close bracket is equal to 32 multiplied by natural log of 2. And now pause for a moment and look carefully. We now have something multiplied by e raised to the power of that same something. And this is exactly the form we were aiming for. Now, we apply the Lambert W function, which is designed to solve expressions in the form of multiplied by e to the power, and when we apply it, the result simply gives us that expression a. So from this step, we get natural log of 2 multiplied by open bracket negative x plus 5 close bracket is equal to Lambert W of 32 multiplied by natural log of 2. And now we are almost done. We divide both sides by natural log of 2 to isolate the bracket. And we get negative x plus 5 is equal to Lambert W of 32 natural log of 2 divided by natural log of 2. And finally, we solve for x by moving terms around. So we get x is equal to 5 minus Lambert W of 32 natural log of 2 divided by natural log of 2. And this is our exact answer. Now, if you want a numerical value, you can approximate it, and you will get x is approximately equal to 1.716. And this is the final solution. And here is the key lesson. Whenever you see a variable both inside an exponent and outside it, do not panic. Instead, think about transforming the equation into a form you can work with. And once you recognize the pattern, even a complicated problem like this becomes something you can solve step by step with confidence. So now I want to ask you, did this method make sense to you? Or would you like me to break down the Lambert W idea even more simply?